I'm going to show you how to do the Icelandic bind off, which is a perfect complement to the old Norwegian cast on or the twisted German cast on. And this is the cast on right here from the twisted German cast on, and I just did a row of garter there. So the first thing you start with is just go ahead and knit a stitch, and I knit continental style. And then you would slip that stitch back onto the left hand needle knitwise, so you have your right hand leg in front. Then you would insert your needle, get around to the second stitch and knit that one, come out from underneath it and take it off the needle. Put that stitch back on the left hand needle knitwise with the right hand leg in front, go in, go to that second stitch, knit it, and bring it off the needle. And that is the repeat. So you're always bringing that stitch back into the left hand needle, knitting that second stitch, bringing it out from under, and then taking it off. Left hand leg back on there, in, come under, go ahead and knit that stitch, take them both off. And this is the perfect complement to the old Norwegian cast on, and it's called the Icelandic bind off. And let me just show you in 1 second how that looks. And you're always putting that stitch back on the left hand needle with the right hand leg in the front. And then you would just draw that working yarn out and through. You would cut your yarn and bring it through, and that would be your bind off. And here it is right here, an example of the old Norwegian cast on and the Icelandic bind off.